Hey, this is Zach, and I've got another cool project for you. This time, it is actually a big school project I've been working on. This is my senior capstone. This is the big one. I've been working on this all year with a group of a couple other people, and we've got some pretty good progress to show off here. This is looking pretty good. So, right off the bat, you should be able to tell that this is a VR project. There's me in the bottom left corner wearing the VR headset with the paddles. And what am I doing? I am building the floor for a manufactured home. So, this project in particular is designed to be a virtual reality factory trainer. It's designed to allow factory workers to train in a VR environment rather than on the factory floor, which saves a lot of time and resources for the factory. It keeps them out of harm's way for things they might not know the safety procedures for, and it gives them a chance to kind of see how the workflow goes without potentially wasting materials or, hurting themselves or hurting somebody else. So it's a pretty cool project. It's going to go by a little quick. This is a pretty short demo, but as you can see, the station that I'm working on, as I said, is the floor. And as I'm putting pieces onto this floor, you can see these little green kind of ghostly outlines pop up, and you can see another station in the background there. This is kind of how we're guiding the users as to what they're supposed to do. So the pieces look like the pieces you're supposed to find and place, except when they're ready to be placed, they've got this green ghostly outline. So it's kind of that visual recognition. There is actually a tutorial text system. I disabled that for this demo so it wasn't cluttering the screen, but you are actually instructed as to what to do as well. So this project was done all in Unity using Steam VR for the VR control, which made it a breeze to implement. And we did some fun things with the actual station to make it pretty modular. So there's a lot of control that we have over how this station gets built. You'll see here in a second, I'm going to place that second piece, and all the rest of them got placed. That's a feature that was requested to allow the station to essentially be auto-completed. You don't necessarily want to spend an hour placing every single piece. There are times when you might want to test somebody on their procedures and things like that, but for a basic training, you maybe only want to have them place 5 on each side or something like that. So that is a tunable that we have. You can actually tweak how many have to be placed before it auto completes. And you'll see here now, I'm going to place these ones in different positions. So it doesn't matter where you place them, just as long as the minimum number required to autocomplete is done. And you'll see that actually with the the next stage of this building process too. So I'll talk about that a little bit. This process is built into stages. When you're building the floor, there's a set order you kind of have to go in. There's a few little tweaks you could maybe do, but our project partner specifically wanted us to go in the order. You place the sideband boards, you place the end caps, you place all the joist hangers at once, both sides, all the way down, and then you place the joist boards. So I've gotten all the way up to the joists now, and you can see that the outline for the joists are there. But the way we set this up is it's pretty modular, so we can actually tweak all of this on the fly, which is really cool. So we could change the order pretty easily if we wanted to. We could add new pieces on top of it if we wanted to. There's a lot of cool stuff we did to make this as modular as possible. So if it were to be tweaked in the future, because this project is not done, it will not end with us, it will keep going. We wanted to be sure that whoever was working on it further down the road could tweak things to their liking. So as you'll see, I'm going to place that. Now it completes all the rest of the station, which is really cool. We also have it set up so that the station can start in any number of the stages. So you could have the station start with the band boards or with the headers or with the joist hangers. You could have the station start completely finished if you wanted to. But we have a lot of really cool tunables that make this a useful training tool and an easy way to train. So there it is, the quick and simple 5-minute demo. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time.